How to download and install WinRAR in your Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video by AppHacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can install WinRAR in your Windows. So let us begin. First, open up a web browser and simply search for WinRAR. After you search for it, you will see the WinRAR's official site. Open that up. After you open it up, you will see the download option. Tap on download. And here you will get a lot of options. So go to the versions, you can select the versions, you can even see the platforms. Go to Windows. On platforms, you will see the languages, select English, and after you select everything there, you will need to download the one on the top, as you can see right here, WinRAR 7.01 English 64 bits. Tap on that. Now you can download that, or you can simply tap on this 64 versions too. After you do so, you will see the steps here to install WinRAR. After you've installed WinRAR, you'll first need to open the exe file. After you do that, simply tap on yes to make changes in your device, then tap on install. Then you'll need to select which file types that you want to associate WinRAR with. And after doing all of that, finally tap on done and you're good to go. So while this is getting downloaded, if you're new to our channel, simply head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now as you can see right here, WinRAR has just been downloaded. Now open this up, just tap on the exe file, select yes. After you do that, you can simply choose the file location there. After you do so, tap on install and let it do its job. And right here you will see associate WinRAR with. Now make sure that you select all the files that you want to, and then after doing so, simply tap on OK, tap on done, and you're basically good to go. That is how you can install WinRAR on your Windows. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.